Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be getting ready for a pop-up that I had last weekend. I'm going to show you guys how I package my candles, what I bring with me, and my candle table setup. If you're new here, my name is Janelle and my channel is all about my candle business, lifestyle, and beauty. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. So I haven't done a pop-up event since the holidays, so I was really excited to do this pop-up. And the good thing that it was inside because it's really hot outside. What I've learned from other events that I've done is that I don't have to bring so many, especially for this particular event, because it was the person that was hosting it was their first event, so I wasn't expecting for it to be too big. So I just made sure to pack just 2 candles of each scent. My newer candles, I did bring 3, but I was trying not to bring too many candles and too many things. And another thing that I've learned from the other shows is that I used to just take the candles in the little pouch bags separately, but my jars are matte and I didn't like how the bottom of it, from me moving it around so many times, was getting messed up and scratched a little bit like it was being used. So this time around I actually packed them in their own pouch bags. So that's what I'm doing here. To carry them out, I put them in this wooden crate. It's very easy to carry and move them around. I have 2 of them and everything that I usually take to these pop-up events fit. I also have lip balms, so for this event I took 3 flavors and I took about 3 of each. I like to take my wig trimmer in case there is a wig that is too long and I have to trim. Like I said, for this event I wasn't taking too many things, so I only took 3 room sprays. And a fall season is coming up and I do have them on sale, so I did take a few of my sale items. I'm also taking these bags that are for my lip balms, and in this crate I actually also have my tablecloth, some decoration, some wood decoration, and also my sign which has like my prices and also the QR code for payments. And I'm also taking some thank you cards which also have the candle care instructions in the back, and also my sign with my business name on it, Soy True Candles. And I also like to decorate the table a little bit, so I do take some decoration like this and I'll put it on the table. I also take this stand and this is where I put like some candles, room spray, or lip balms depending on how I feel like I want to decorate my table. Now for bags, I do like to stamp my business name on the bags, and the night before I realized that I hadn't stamped the name on each bag, so that's what I'm doing here. And I basically, knowing how much candles I'm bringing, I just make sure that I'm bringing enough bags because I don't want to run out of bags. So this is my candle table setup. As you guys can see, I have my stand where I put my candles, but I also use one of the wooden crates as a stand. That is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're not already, and see you guys in my next video.